Next dinosaur on the list tonight, we're going to draw Helicoprion. Helicoprion is one of the ancient ancestors of prehistoric sharks. Technically, this dinosaur came, well, back when it's... I don't know if this guy came before the dinosaurs or after the dinosaurs. Basically, it looks more like a ancient relative of swordfish rather than a shark. But it looks... I'd be happy to comply that this guy is related to most sharks. Here are the molars. One of the distinct features about Helicoprion is that it has a really odd-looking buzzsaw-like jawbone. It's got a weird-looking jawbone here. Now we draw this dorsal fin here. Here is Helicoprion's tail fin. Here is his tail. And there we go. There is Helicoprion.